Hello again, my brilliant learners. I'm so happy you're here with me today. Every time we meet, we add one more useful word to your English. And today's word is all about going beyond limits and surprising everyone. Today, we're going to learn the word exceed. So, what does exceed mean? To exceed means to go beyond a limit or expectation. You can exceed a speed limit, a goal, or someone's hopes. It's often used when something is more than what was planned or allowed. Here are 5 example sentences to help you understand and remember the word exceed. The car exceeded the speed limit and got a fine. Our sales exceeded last year's record by 20%. She exceeded all expectations in her new job. The costs exceeded our budget, so we had to save money elsewhere. His kindness exceeded anything I had ever seen. All right, now it is time for a short story, just 10 sentences, to help you remember exceed in context. Last month, I decided to set a new goal for myself, to run 10 kilometers. I trained every day, even when it was hard or rainy. On the day of the race, I was nervous but excited. I ran faster than I thought I could and actually exceeded my own goal. I finished the race in less than 50 minutes. My friends cheered, surprised by how well I did. I felt proud and a little amazed at what I had achieved. Sometimes, we don't know our true limits until we try. Exceeding expectations feels amazing and pushes us forward. So, keep challenging yourself. You never know what you can exceed. So, that's the word exceed. To go beyond limits and surprise yourself. Try using it in your own story this week. See you next time for another inspiring word. Take care and keep learning.